What's up guys, Jarrett Vanderwerf here at MarineMax Dallas. Today we're going to be walking through a 2025 X24. This boat is the Caribbean Flake slate gray with the gold accent. Really well put together boat. Let's check it out. So on the back of the X24, we have a couple of really cool options to show you guys. The first one I want to point out obviously is a swim step, super easy to get in and out of the water. Another really great feature is what we call our thruster back here. That's going to sit right on top of your throttle, so as you're moving the boat around, all you do is twist the top of that throttle and you can really angle this boat however you want when you're around the docks in tight places. Another great feature I love to point out is these footrests here. These fold out from underneath the seat, so when you're back here hanging out lounging, you have a full lounge chair. You can really kick back and relax. All right, moving on back through the boat as we get into the cockpit. Some things I like to point out. You've got your windscreen here. It's a little chilly like today. Close that off. You're not gonna get hit with as much wind. Stay warm. We did option this boat with the dual screens. So it's really nice to have your camera available, your GPS. You can have two different screens running at all times. Great option on this boat. Another cool thing I like to point out, this boat is optioned with two subwoofers. It makes it really nice, really deep, crisp sound. We did option this boat for the observer speaker controls, so that way you can control your speakers as the observer is sitting here if she doesn't like the driver's music. All right, at the bow of the X24, as you can see, they've contoured these speakers to face the passengers. You're really getting that sound hitting you straight in the face. Super clear audio with the clips audio. You are going to have a USB up front. As you can tell, there's a ton of room up here. You've got anchor storage underneath me here. You're also going to have these nice armrests coming down. There's just two, but you can comfortably fit 3 to 4 people up here, no problem. This is a whole separate conversation area from the people in the back of the boat. So if the kids or the ladies want to come up here and chat, great place for it. So we've got our rear view wake seating set up. As you guys can tell, really get the crowd of the boat involved, what's going behind here, whether somebody's fooling, wake surfing, or even wakeboarding. So it's really nice to make sure everyone's is in tune back there and watching that rider, getting them hyped up. This boat is going to have your standard phone holders under here, your clips audio coming back, all the nice cup holders. You do have an integrated cooler in here. Makes it really nice, really easy to get your drinks out. It is a Mastercraft cooler. It's really nice. All right, guys, Jarrett Vanderwerf, MarineMax Dallas, 2025 X24. This is an awesome boat. Come see me and let's go for a ride.